Will you be my Valentine?
What?
Heard the magic word.
Who the fuck ate mommy cakes from the Asian market? Who ate them?
Selectively.
You don't even love me. You just want my snacks.
Oh shit! All right.
Watch this genius pop.
Sometimes when I know you want to go outside and you start like doing this little whiny thing, I pretend like I don't hear you because I don't want to take you outside.
Wait for the trigger word.
Go shut the door. All the way. Come here.